This is the real Tom Rose, and we're doing a general question here. It says, which of the following best characterizes Fanny Mendelssohn, which was really the topic of the entire passage here. And let's go down some of the choices. So the first one is idealist and activist. Well, I wouldn't say she's an activist. An activist wouldn't publish works under someone else's name so as to remain quiet and unnoticed, right? That's not a very activist thing to do. Second choice says elitist. There's nothing in here to suggest that she thought she was superior to anyone. In fact, she kind of subjugates herself to her brother by publishing under her name. So that's not the right answer. The third one is artist and pragmatist. She's definitely an artist, right? It says she had the same musical education as her brother. It says she was equally promising as her brother. Her brother, of course, was a composer / artist, right? So she's an artist. And then she's also a pragmatist, right? A pragmatist is somebody who is realistic and makes compromises in order to get things done. So, for example, publishing your works under your brother's name, that's a compromise. That's very pragmatic. So C is going to be the correct answer. D says nonconformist and rebel. It was true that she's somewhat of a nonconformist. I mean, she does things that are not standard, right? She writes musical compositions. But she's not a rebel. A rebel is somebody that would, just like being an activist, would seek to confront the status quo and be public and open about it. She doesn't do that. The last one says a humanitarian and a romantic, and just these are both just out of scope. Like humanitarian would be like helping other humans in some way. There's nothing in here about that. Romantic would suggest that she did things because she felt that they had a certain allure, spoke to her in an emotional way. But it seems like she's actually just being very practical. So correct answer is the middle one.